التسجيل في دورات المياه أو مقصورة الركاب، ويشمل ذلك السجائر الإلكترونية. شكرا لانتباهكم. السعودية تتمنى لكم رحلة ممتعة. بإمكانكم استخدام خدمة التجوال الدولي والإنترنت على هذه الطائرة عندما تكون إشارة الهاتف الجوال مطفأة.
For your safety and comfort, the regulations of the General Authority of Civil Aviation requires passengers to comply with lighted signs, posted placards, crew members' instructions, and the following safety demonstration. Please make sure that your baggage is securely stowed in the overhead compartment, and small items, including handbags, underneath the seat in front of you. Exercise extreme caution when you open the overhead compartment to avoid falling of items. Please ensure all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas are clear. For safety reasons, any portable electronic devices such as mobile phones, tablets, and laptops should be in flight mode, and the use of wireless devices and remotely controlled devices is strictly prohibited throughout the flight. To use any other portable electronic devices, please inform one of the flight attendants. If your electronic device dropped into the seat, do not move the seat and inform the flight attendant immediately for assistance. Your seatbelt must be fastened now. To fasten the belt, insert the metal fittings one into the other and tighten the strap. To release, lift the upper piece of the metal fitting and separate the two ends. In case of decompression in the cabin, oxygen masks will drop in front of you automatically. Take the nearest mask immediately, pull it down, and secure it over your nose and mouth. Put on your mask before helping others. Keep your mask on until advised to remove it. In the event of an emergency landing, please assume the impact position. There are emergency exits on either side of this aircraft. Please take a moment to familiarize yourself with the nearest exit to you. If an evacuation is necessary, guiding lights will illuminate to guide you to the exit. Prior to leaving the aircraft, remove your shoes, leave everything behind, reach your nearest exit, and slide down. Your life vest is located under or to the side of your seat. When instructed, slip the life vest over your head, pass the straps around your waist, and adjust it at the front. At the exit, inflate the life vest by pulling the tabs down or blowing into the tubes at the top. Then follow the flight attendant's instructions. For more information, please read the safety card in the seat pocket in front of you or near you. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read the instructions illustrated there. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to call one of our flight attendants. In preparation for takeoff, please make sure your seatbelts are fastened, seat backs and accessories are in their upright position, and all window shades are open. Civil aviation laws prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors located in the aircraft lavatories. Smoking in lavatories or passenger compartment is prohibited, including the use of electronic cigarettes. Thank you for your attention. Saudia wishes you a pleasant flight. The use of mobile phones and internet during this flight is permissible once the mobile sign is switched off.